Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and you've never been to the channel, welcome. I'm Jamila. I do lots and lots of videos that you will like, so subscribe. Today I tried to do knotless box braids, and honestly I'm really proud because I tried this before but it did not come out nothing like this. The reason being I didn't finish it. I just did like 2 braids and gave up. Anyway, the hair that I use is Queen Bee hair 50-inch 1B right here. I use like 5 to 6 pack. Also, if you guys do not have a braiding rack, if you have a cork board or a calendar or something like that that you use at home for whatever you may use it for, thumbtacks, stick it in there and hang your hair on it. I'll have a video of like a little demonstration or like a little, I guess, how it looked when I did it. It was super convenient, y'all, and I was like, how can I do this hairstyle if I don't have a braiding rack, because I need several pieces of hair for one braid and I don't have anyone to hold it for me. So corkboard came in handy, you feel me? You want to see how I got these lovely knotless, I'm doing too much, I need to stop. Then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so this is the gel that I'm using and I really love this gel. It's like the best. But anyways, I'm gonna take 3 sections of hair, and the technique that I use in the back is way different from the front, so I'm just going to explain it as if I'm doing it in the front, if that makes sense. So I take 3 sections, braided 1, 2, add 1 piece of hair. I'm going to take that top piece of hair, oh I'm sorry, I'm inserting it into my index finger and thumb, just in case you're wondering where did you even put the hair. And then I put the top piece on top of my head, and that bottom piece is going to be braided. So 1, 2 with my real hair. Braid that top piece down, 1, 2 again. Now as you see, I only did 1 because like I said, the back I did it a completely different way. So you need to do it 1, 2 after you add that piece down, and then you add another piece of hair and just repeat the process. But I'm gonna go over it a couple more times because I know that was real hard to understand. So this is another section that I'm doing, and as you can see, the first and second rows of my hair was not perfect at all, okay? Like I really was getting better as I went, but I separated this section of hair into 3, and then I did 1, 2, added the piece of hair, okay, and then I'm doing 1, 2, bring that piece down. It was kind of hard, it was like stuck, and then 1, 2. You see I didn't do the 2 because like I said, the back was different. So after you do 2, then you're gonna add that second piece, pull it up, do the same exact thing. So the way that I do the front sections of my hair that are closer to my face are a little bit different than I did the back. So I do the same thing where I braid 2 times, but then I would add the piece of hair underneath instead of on top of. So usually with the back, I would add the hair on top of my braid and then grab that, but instead I'm adding it underneath, and I'm not like flipping a piece over or anything like that. I'm just braiding it into my hair. Also, I don't think I mentioned this, but I usually use 4 pieces of braiding hair for each section. So I would add my first piece in, braid, second piece, braid, and when I get to the 4th piece, I would just continue braiding down the rest of the hair. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit your bell. Have a great rest of your night or day whenever you're watching. See you guys in my next video.
Young Tars and beat.